Today we have the Steinberg IXO12 audio interface. We're going to unbox and review it today. Okay, having a look in the front here, this thing looks super clean and white. Right here we have a mute button for your first XLR port. Here's your XLR gain. You connect your microphone, your guitar, your piano. And we have a second mute button for one high Z input port. Right here we have a classic microphone preamp, 48V phantom power. Right here we have individual gain control. Above the gain knob we have a monitor button, which monitors your voice input coming in. And this big knob is your master volume control knob. Right here on the right we have a headphone output 3.5 port. On the back here we have our TRS main outputs for your master control volume knobs to work. Right here we have optional power inputs. You can connect directly through your phone or directly to PC. This is perfectly fine for mobile and small PC rigs. It does come in with two colors, black or white. Alright, now let's connect it to my PC and get it started up. Okay, you do have to go to Steinberg website. I will have a link in the description, so it's easy download for you guys. Alright, make sure your audio interface is connected by USB-C through your computer. Connect your XLR cable. There should be a white LED light on the gain knob, so it's on. In the box, you're supposed to get 2 access codes to download your interface software. Make sure you include that.
That's it for the unboxing and review. If you liked this video, comment below and subscribe for future tech reviews.